Have you ever wondered if there's a way to keep your family out of probate altogether? Because if you've ever seen probate up close, you know it can take time, it can cost money, and it can create a lot of unnecessary stress for your family. Hi, I'm Wes Harvin with the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm, and today we're going to answer a very common question. Can a living trust actually help you avoid probate? Short answer, yes, but only if it's done the right way. So let's break that down easily. A living trust, also called a revocable trust, is essentially a legal container that holds your assets. While you're alive, you're in full control. You can buy, sell, change things. Nothing really changes from your day-to-day perspective. Now, here's where the benefit comes in. When you pass away, instead of everything going through the court system, which is probate, your successor trustee steps in and carries out your instructions. No court involvement, no waiting on a judge, no public process. That's what allows you to bypass probate. Another advantage is privacy. A will becomes part of the public record during probate. A trust does not, so your financial affairs stay private. You also get more control over how assets are distributed. Instead of everything going outright, you can set conditions, timing, protections, whatever makes sense for your family. Now, here's the catch, and this is where a lot of people get tripped up. The trust only works if it's properly funded. That means your assets, your home, your accounts need to actually be titled in the name of the trust. If they're not, they may still end up going through probate. So it's not just about having the document, it's about making sure everything is aligned with it. And let me say this, living trusts are not just for wealthy families. They're for anyone who wants a smoother, more efficient transition for their loved ones. So if you're thinking about setting up a trust or you're not sure if yours is funded correctly, reach out to us at the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm. If this video was helpful, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.